Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Good morning. Good morning to my friends and enemies. Especially my enemies. You know, see it. Yeah, man. On the voice of Bed Miller. This morning, I come back, I plan to come back to center again. You know, see it. Come here. I enter center from the poor house. I don't call it poor house. I call it infirm. A poor house here, I can't no one call it poor house. You know, see it. Because the comfort for the poor people, the old people, them still. And that you call it poor house. Nice thing that see me, I say, you know, see it. You know, see it. And they call it infirm still, but there's a poor people over there. Because if you all look out for the poor. Because Jesus said, go all to be poor. You know? So, and I'm not wrong to call it poor house. But I don't tarry too long for the road, because I'm near the police station. I'm going to carry them nice, brother. Yeah. So, police with the nice exam. Yeah. Yeah, man. So right now, I enter from poor house. Yeah, man. I got two parties now. The party broke down, you know. I go carry no through. And I say, as I say, I go time myself again. Right. I go time myself again. I'm going to try to make you want to be half an hour for real. But, yeah, man. You know, see it? I sent me there, you know. And some for the area. You know, my army boat. You know, see it? And I soon going to see my outfit when I come out this morning. I'm big, you know, see it? Give thanks to Ali again. Give thanks to Ali. Yeah, man, you set up my army jacket. I trade you with Ali. So as what I say now, yeah, man, it's a center. Falmouth Forestry. But I think a football alone we play so. I think a football alone we play so. Football, cricket. You know, see, back in the days, a football, cricket, track and field, mainly to table tennis. You know, see it. Yeah, man, as you know, see it. Basketball and netball. You understand me? This is the Elixton Waitland Youth Center. You understand me? Yes. Like a forest same way. That's a center, you know. You know, see it? Yes, so you see it. May I tell you? But this is not Elixton Waitland Youth Center again. This is a place that belongs to the mayor. You know, see it? Yeah, man, a gauge a place this. You can see it there. I just a gauge go build in Fall Farm. I don't too tired you say, you know. Yes, I must just a gauge go build in Fall Farm. I just a gauge go build in Fall Farm, you know. I say, because see the place. Come on, zoom, I don't want to go too near there. See the place where Gauge build. Because Gauge love homeless people. See the place where Gauge build there. The shelter part and the feeding part upon there. Because I don't want to stay too long so. Yeah, man, so Gauge go build. Gauge go build in full. I must say, so Gauge go build in Fall Farm. Yes, sir. And what me I say? You know, see it? What me I say? If Gauge can build in Fall Farm over here, you know, see it? Can I defend? You know, see it? I defend the youth who are raising cow right now. Can I tell the virgin saying, man, you know, see it? There's a reason why they do it, you know. Did video, they say, and the farm with the cow pasture, you know. There's a reason why they do it. Because bro God, the God of Jamaica, government badness, Andrew onless. Because pay badness thing on Jamaica nowadays. You can't speak about certain things. Because the man, you can't talk about certain things. The man send people for people. But what me I say, if Gage can build full farm, so go build in full farm. You know see it? Beside the police station and beside the infirmary. You know see it? Because I say when the fall them start shit up and in place there. But what the I not gonna be no problem to the police station and the policeman them. You know see it? Because Jamaica stink already. Stink a corruption. Yes. Jamaica stink of corruption, you know. So, you know, are the infirmary people them, the poor people them. I don't call it infirmary, I call it poor house. Because you go always at the poor. Because my father Jesus say, you go always at the poor. And when nowadays you can't call people poor again. Because me afraid Freddie McGregor sing a song say, I want the world song. Big up Freddie McGregor, you know, he sings so nice song, you know. But when he sing a song say, to be poor is a crime. Man have to know that in this time. Jesus tell me say, you go always at the poor with you. You have to take care of the poor. Because to be poor is not a crime, brother. We have a man named Jesus, the real poor people defender. Walk and defend poor people. Help poor people in all manners of means. You know see it? So what me I say now, the youth them are raising cow and center. And I'm a general, you see when I send threat to people, you can't put no name on the threat. Because last night, you know, say last night I go through my content them, you know. You know see it? Last time I go through my content them. You know see it? I reach, because normally, I never really check the comments them when people comment on my thing. I just post my thing and stuff, I go through the comments. And last night I go through my comment, and I see the day, the 9th of July, when I visit the place and shoot the cow them. Yeah man, the cowboy them sent, one of the cowboy them sent threat to me. I'll name them on the threat. You know see it? Yeah man. What on the cowboy? You know see it? When you can send threat to people. On the name Panny. I mean I didn't know them things still. I mean I show it to nobody now. Because only one man that share the threat to and send the threat to, you know see that ESCO. Because most of the things I do right now are from a general ESCO. And some article, you know see it? Falmouth people. You know see it? Or overseas. When I know what go on, I Falmouth. As I say, no brother. Yeah man, people. I telling you, I did get threat, you know. Because you see the day when I do it, you know see it? The day when I do it, you them with vex. Because man, all some man have me up same way. Because I put up, because I make them thing upon YouTube. Because even since last week the man carry feelings. Look on center brother, center this no. Look on him type of thing. You can't I tell you that. You know see it? Yes. You understand me? Yes, the important. You think say never play football alone? Only thing me I say right now. You know see it? Because I the whole year is center. You think center have a football alone? You know see it? Because all when time village alone I play football over here. I never did too like it. Center should not stay how they used to stay. Have a track field. Even track and football couldn't play. Track and football should not be a center. And there's a children in the multipurpose stadium when I deal with cricket. But look on the place. This is center. This is Falmouth Elixton Waitland Youth Center. Which is no more Falmouth Elixton Waitland Youth Center. But when him calling Gage, I say him name, because I can't call him name, you know. Because the man is me, you know. So I can't, yeah man, so I can call him name. And I stick to the point. I not really talk about this man, you know. But what me I say, you know see it? If Gage can raise him, go build full farm over here. The youth then can raise them cows same way. You know see it? You never raise him animal because I say there's a dark days in sports in Western Jamaica. That's why other night when I do the thing, other evening I go back a park and the bonfire say park at the first ground when the school starting sports pan. And look how park stay. You know see it? I say look on them grass up on center. Yeah. And I say look how park stay. Look how park stay. And by videoing the thing, night catch me. And through me say boy, I go caption it, dark days of sports in Western Jamaica. So I just go and burn fire that night. Because one virgin tell me say boy, I can't see nothing. I tell me say boy, so me do it. Because it's dark days of sports. Because sports dead. Sports dead in a Falmouth. So such man, I say look on the grass, brother. Look on the grass, you can't live in the grass like a, you see it? I want a selfie, I go do. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. There is a selfie, you know. You can lay down in the grass and cushion and relax. A center. Yes. Yeah, man. Back in the days, I just a man used to run, you know. Run on the field and them seeing, you know. Some grass, there's some people. Why I tell a general? So no youngsters, I tell them better. You know, see it. I tell them, I don't fear who can kill body, you know. But I don't go fear him who can kill body and soul, you know. Yes, I am. I don't want to talk, you know, see it. I stick to the point. You can't walk nowhere, so. You know, see it? Nowhere, so you can't walk. You raise them, I tell the man, say, I don't want to, because cow still up on the property see me. I mean, I put my video camera up on the man in cow. Because only man go on a thief people, only people who they grown and the thief people cow. You see, if you know when, the time when I went to the, in July, you know, and 9th of July, I do my thing, you know. I take to the place and say, boy, through government badness, say, boy, I make a man match up the country in the 70s. I just come over here and show us in the 70s. I pay sport to play over here and send that on cow pasture. The 9th of July last year. And the same day the man threatened me. I truly never did know. Last time I see the threat. Yes. You know see it? Because right now the boat us now. And right now me all scared, brother. Me all scared. Then I center. The man in part of used to walk as a little boy and go to the wall and go, you know see it, and go to school. You can't walk on him, walk and pay for it. Me tell you that. You know see it? Yeah. I mean I say if Gage could build fowl farm, you know see it? The youth them, you know see it? See all the way for the train the run. If Gage could build fowl farm, brother, the youth if you raise them cow. And such man, and Falmouth United, when you take this Falmouth United, when you take yourself off a Gage property, you hear me? Gage places, sir. I don't venture down there anymore because I want to go show the coal pit. But I can't go down there way there. You know see it? I mean I'll take no chance. You know see, I don't take no chance. I don't take no chance and go down through the bush again. Yeah man, the one with the cold still. Come if a man burn out in cold already. And I make him money. You know see, because that's survival time of Jamaica now. In the land of prosperity. No sports now play again. Because the youth can hardly make money out of sports. That's why they don't play no sports again, brother. Because the man see one of the man them see one of do to Usain Bolt. Look what Usain Bolt do to Jamaica. The most popular man in the world. I know nothing significant. I know nothing significant in the name of a Bolt. You know, see, because you don't know Bolt. Because no one knows a Bolt and I know top scholar. Come there about graduation. Bolt go to school, get trouble, and doing best with his talent, what God give him. Come there about graduation. Bolt was in the top 10, top 20. In the top color. In the top CXC parties and all them sitting there. You know see it. I make a point one time say, you know see it. No for who graduate with both have no more subjects. When you don't have the achievement, when you don't get the achievement, what both achieve. You understand me? So people, yeah man, so when you don't get the achievement, what both have. When I say achievement, after them left school. After them left school. Because the talent of God give both go out in the world and do him thing. I'm glad for know say Usain Bolt, you know see it, Usain Bolt, yeah. Yeah man, say referee brother the jog there. Yeah man, Shanty son. As I say, sometimes you know, people, sometimes you have to just divert, you know, the message sometimes, you know. I go back and say Usain Bolt, what Usain Bolt achieve. No found no graduate with Bolt. Don't achieve what Usain Bolt achieve. You know see it. For them left school. Because an amount of it's not the amount of CXC passes we left school with. You see, but when after you left school and you see it, and you enter the concrete jungle. Because you saw concrete jungle, you know, because the farmer center to the jungle, you know. No concrete in the building, so but so when Bob Marley is a concrete jungle, this is concrete, this is not jungle. You understand me? Yeah. You know see it? Yeah. I believe someone whole time friends, this or when there so. Someone whole time friends, yeah. You know see it? You go over the whole time friends. Me can't go no further. Yes, I'm center, brother. You know see it? You know see it? As I say, Brenton, I don't want to call a name, but Farmers United, you don't need to take on yourself of a gauge of property, you hear me? Take on yourself of a gauge of property. You know see it? Because if gauge, right now, drop me one drop, I drop me over dropping everything. I can't walk so. You know see it? Because if gauge can build a fowl farm over here, you them can raise them cow. Because the cow them still there, see me, and Farmers United are trained, see me. And so forth. But Farmers United, we don't need to come on for the property, brother. Because Kimani Man has no money. When we see that no money, Kimani Man have the money again. We build no sports complex. Because when Kimani Man have the money, they don't give him the property. Because of the cell tower. Because they make money off of the cell tower. We don't know who will get the money off of the cell tower. And look how center stay. Look how center stay, brother. I read some of I go on to my content. See police station over there today. Yeah man. You know see it. I'm going to set up my thing. Right as a look. I mean I to stay long. You can go in front of the camera right there so. Because sometimes you have to know what you do. You can't turn a thing to police station. So I'm going to extend it and show them when I come out, you know. I mean, make the one along. I stick to the point. What I say, if Mr. Gauge can go raise fall over here. You know see it? The youth them can raise them cow over here. It's on the left part of the place for the youth them to raise them cow. So Farmers United, you know see it? If Gauge raise fall over here, the youth them I raise them cow, we raise them cow over here. Yeah. Yes, Aya. So what me I say? Oh, I'm going to leave one. I'm going to go stop it.